مستمعينا كونيتشوا لوان ديس
هيرو ديس.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. شلونكم؟ شو أخباركم؟ أتمنى أنكم تكونون بخير وصحة وسلامة. Today our video is going to be about
culture similarities.
culture similarities. A lot of people have been asking us about culture differences that we're facing because I'm Kuwaiti and he's Japanese, so we thought why not do culture similarities instead, because there are so many differences but few similarities, so we decided to talk about the similarities instead. But before we start this video, a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and turn on the notification bell. So let's talk about culture similarities. What did you notice? Something similar between Kuwait and Japan?
I think we both have a culture of eating rice.
Yes, exactly.
Like you guys have machibus or malik laham.
Yes,
and those rice.
Yeah.
But then only a little bit different thing is we eat rice as like just rice, white rice, and we have side dish.
Yeah.
But the Kuwaiti food has it is like rice and there's chicken or sauce on top of it.
We put it on the top of it.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, we do actually. It's similar to the kare.
Yeah, curry rice, yeah? Kare.
Kare in Japanese, yeah.
Kare rice.
So, yeah, so it's very similar to kare. So yeah, that's one of the similarities that we realized between our two countries.
Right.
So for the second similarity that we noticed was that the way they dress up, the Japanese people, how they dress up. Like, for example, when I went to Japan, I was expecting to see people show more skin. Now, I know that there are so many girls who are into short skirts, just like anime, okay? And there are those kind of girls, like I've seen those kind of girls who wear the short skirts, but I've seen more people covering up their skin more than the ones who show their skin. So, for example, especially when I see an adult, like an adult who I can feel like they matured, they're covered up, especially when it's a married woman or an old oba-chan, like مرة كبيرة بالسن. دائما لاحظت إنهم يكونوا متسترين يعني نفس طريقتنا. So it's very similar. So for example, when I went to like those European countries or America, let's say, usually I see those like people showing a lot of skin. So, but I didn't really notice this in Japan. So I don't know if it's still going on between girls. I think recently we saw something about people having this new trend of showing the onaka, showing the tummy.
I don't know, but you find out, yeah?
No, we saw it together. Do you remember in the news? The girls now, like the new trend, showing their belly. Yeah, but to be honest, I've never seen that in Japan yet. I didn't see that yet. How about you? Did you see girls showing their onaka? In Japan, Japanese girls? Banati.
Don't know. I think I just didn't realize. I didn't. But maybe they are, but I didn't. Maybe just see.
But like generally speaking, I think Japanese people don't really like to show skin that much. For example, would you like not like I'm gonna show my skin or anything? I don't like it anyway. But would you be okay if I wear something like, let's say, that shows skin?
No.
No, even before you were Muslim, before becoming a Muslim, you will not allow your wife to wear something like that, yeah?
Definitely no.
Definitely not. So yeah, I've realized that there are so many Japanese guys who are not okay with their wives to show their skin. So that's a similarity between Japanese guys and Kuwaiti guys as well, and Kuwaiti culture. In general, like generally speaking, Arabic culture, yeah, we don't like to show skin that much. Well, it differs from, like, I'm not generalizing or anything, but mostly it's like that, yeah.
The third thing that I realized, the culture similarity between Japan and Kuwait is that we both have a sitting on the floor culture.
Oh yeah. We talked about that we both, like we're doing right now.
Yeah, right now we're doing
sitting on the floor, yeah. So yeah, we both, and I think like we both sit on the floor for like doing things, for example, like eating or watching TV. So yeah, we do that as like the entire family does it. It's not like only kids do it or something like that. Yeah, so it's like the entire family sit on the floor and gather, like let's say have tea ceremony and stuff like that.
Yeah, we have tea ceremony that there's no chair. Everyone sit on the floor and we have tea.
Yeah, exactly. Well, we also like both of us have chairs now.
Yeah.
But still, this culture still exists both in Japan and Kuwait, where people sit on the floor to eat, to watch TV, to chill. Yeah, like the tatami room, for example. بالنسبة حق رابع شغلة, the fourth thing that we noticed about the culture similarities was the traditions, actually. So I noticed that there are still traditions in Japan. So for example, they still eat in chopsticks. That's part of their tradition and their culture. They still wear the kimono and yukata, even though like there's no like specific, like let's say, event. They still wear. I can still see some people wear the yukata and the kimono. For example, even for going to shrine, something like that.
Yeah, some people still wear. Yeah.
And even in wedding ceremonies, they still wear the wedding kimono.
Yeah, Japanese style.
Japanese style kimono. There are so many things. Like, for example, I still see Japanese style houses, like the tatami and those stuff. So
even the teachers wear kimono. Some teacher wear kimono on the graduation ceremony or those ceremonies.
Yeah.
Some of them.
There are so many traditions in Japan that when you go to Japan, you will realize that you're in Japan without the need to hear their language or to see their let's say their famous sightseeing spots. You can tell that you're in Japan just by seeing some stuff, like, you know, the way they're dressed up, or let's say some origamis, or like, you know, the way their houses are built and stuff. So you can tell that you're in Japan just by looking at those things. So Noah-kun, he came with us now in the video. Habibi, he doesn't want to sleep. He's sleepy. Okay, so let's talk about the fifth thing and the last thing, so we can wrap things up.
Right. The fifth thing is our language is difficult. Is it?
Both of our languages are difficult, really. Yeah. So Arabic is considered the second most difficult language in the world, and Japanese is considered the third difficult language, the third most difficult language in the world. So yeah, we're both struggling learning each other's language. I know a little Japanese, he knows a little Arabic. Yeah.
شوية.
هو يعرف شوية عربي. 私はちょっとだけ日本語わかります。شوية أفهم ياباني. So yeah, we're both struggling in that. So that's one of the similarities. We hope you liked the video and you liked the idea of culture similarities instead of culture differences. Please let us know in the comment section what would you like to see from us in the future. If you have any ideas for our next videos, just let us know in the comments. We read every single comment and we're really happy when we see your comments, so don't forget to do that. And that's it. We reached the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and turn on the notification bell. And until next time, bye, Chala!